1607, the first Americans landed at Jamestown. Over the next century, colonists would expand along the East Coast to create the original 13 colonies. These included Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Connecticut, New York, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island. This is the territory that made up the original 13 colonies.
In 1783, the Treaty of Paris ended the Revolutionary War between the colonists and Great Britain. In the treaty, Britain ceded most of the land east of the Mississippi River to the new nation of America.
In 1803, President Thomas Jefferson bought the Louisiana Territory from France for $15 million. This addition more than doubled the size of the United States.
In 1818, with Jay's Treaty, Great Britain ceded the northwest boundary gap.
In 1819, in the Adams-Anish Treaty, Spain ceded Florida.
In 1842, Secretary of State Daniel Webster signed the Webster-Ashburton Treaty with Great Britain to settle disputes over the border between the U.S. and Canada. This added the northern tip of Maine.
In 1845, after Texas rebelled against Mexico and formed their own republic, they were annexed by the United States.
In 1846, the U.S. and Britain agreed to divide the Oregon Country at the 49th parallel, which resulted in the addition of modern-day Oregon, Washington, and Idaho.
In 1848, the Mexican-American War ended with the Treaty of Guadalupe Hidalgo. In this treaty, Mexico ceded modern-day California, Nevada, Utah, and Arizona.
In 1853, the U.S. bought the southern area of Arizona from Mexico for $10 million in the Gadsden Purchase.
In 1867, the United States bought Alaska from the Russian Empire for $7 million.
In 1898, after U.S. planters overthrew the Queen, the United States annexed Hawaii.
In the span of less than 300 years, the United States grew from the single colony of Jamestown to the way it is now, with 50 states and almost 400 million square miles of territory.